Greetings to you on behalf of Be Happy 24 Club. So let's try to figure out what Bitcoin actually is. Bitcoin is often referred to as gold of the digital age. To put it simply, it is a new monetary system. Back in the day, people exchanged seashells, then gold, and paper money. Nowadays, mankind has come to use digital money and cryptocurrency. Now, Bitcoin is the most expensive currency in the world. It is more than 18,000 times more expensive than the US dollar. More than 100 million people all over the world already use Bitcoins in their daily lives. You can buy anything for Bitcoin, be it a cup of coffee, plane tickets, or even real estate property. The Bitcoin cost is constantly rising due to its limited supply and constantly growing demand. These features are a mathematical foundation of the Bitcoin algorithm. Why do people and companies choose Bitcoin, and why is it valuable? Let's consider the usual ways used to transfer money, like Western Union or MoneyGram systems. People lose from 5 to 30% of the amount transferred, about 10% on average, and such companies earn from $60 to $100 billion annually. With Bitcoin, when sending even as much as $100,000 from one side of the world to another, you will pay just a few dollars as a commission fee. Of course, Bitcoin features many other advantages, and we can talk about them for hours. In short, they are as follows: almost instant transfers, complete anonymity. It is impossible to fake and print this currency. So, how is Bitcoin interesting for investments? In 2009, its initial cost equaled 1/1000th of a dollar, but has lately increased to $18,037 as of December 2017. The growth is more than 18,037,000 times within 9 years. You got it right, more than 18,037,000 times. On May 22, 2010, the first purchase online took place. A person named Laszlo bought a pizza for 10,000 coins. At that time, it was $25. If calculated today, this is the most expensive pizza in history. It costs $180,370,000. From August 2015 to December 2017, Bitcoin cost has grown more than 27 times. Who invests in Bitcoin? Bill Gates, Richard Branson, and world-known companies like Google, PayPal, eBay, and others do. Moreover, funds, banks, well-known investors, and multi-million-dollar companies have invested more than $1 billion in exchange and financial services, as well as other Bitcoin infrastructure facilities, which we can see visiting this worldwide known CoinDesk resource. You may also ask who and where uses Bitcoin as a payment tool. More than 100,000 companies located in the United States and more than 500,000 companies all over the world utilize Bitcoin. Surely it is worth making money in places where there's a lot of money. As of today, the Bitcoin market is quickly moving towards $1 trillion. Now, we can talk about the ways of your personal engagement in making money on Bitcoin. One option is to buy it cheaper and to sell it at a higher price. In this case, you cannot create a constant inflow of Bitcoin. In other words, you have a glass of water, but not a well with a constant water supply. In order to earn on trading, you need to have special skills, and it requires constant training during years. So, how can you create a constant inflow of Bitcoins? After all, its price grows so rapidly, and according to professional analysts, it might get to $100,000 in the next 3 years. There are two ways: do everything by yourself, or together with other investors. Let's pretend you have chosen the first way and decided to buy equipment for Bitcoin mining. What will you have to go through? Choose the right equipment. Buy and deliver it. Install it in a special room. Find a specialist who will efficiently set up the equipment, service it, and constantly update it. To put it simply, it will take a lot of your time, worries, and money, and you don't know for sure whether everything will work out to the best advantage. And now, we will look the other way, chosen by more than 150,000 investors from 103 countries of the world by now. They have united in the BitClub Network, which is the top 10 of the world's Bitcoin mining companies, and it will solve all of the above-mentioned tasks on a turnkey basis for you. Our club cooperates with the best world experts who produce and customize the equipment. Now, on the screen, you can see one of our mining facilities in Iceland, which investors from all over the world have already visited. Due to the large investment amounts, our company spends much less money on equipment and electricity and mines Bitcoin much more efficiently, significantly increasing incomes for each member of BitClub Network. In simple terms, all you have to do now is to decide how much passive income you want to receive and to choose the relevant share in BitClub Network. After that, you'll start getting daily passive income in Bitcoins. Our company will do all the remaining job for you. Now, let's highlight 5 main reasons why professional investors choose a premium class product from BitClub Network. First, high profitability, 3% to 5% per month, in average about 50% per year. And this is without taking into account the rapid growth rate of Bitcoin. Second, irrefutable facts of reliability, confirmed by independent world-scale sources. Let's visit Blockchain Info, the most reliable source in the Bitcoin and blockchain technology world. On this chart, we can see that BitClub Network is among top 10 largest global Bitcoin miners. Here is another source, BTC.com, where we can see companies' operational statistics starting from early 2015. We click on BitClub caption and see it is exactly the same BitClub network. Third, constantly growing passive income. After buying a share in the company once, you become the owner of the equipment that will mine Bitcoins for you for many years. This is the water well we have already talked about. BitClub Network will automatically buy new equipment for you, using a part of your income. The more equipment you have, the higher is your income. It's like you have bought a chicken, laying golden eggs for you, and at the same time, it can also reproduce. Fourth, income is daily calculated and withdrawn in Bitcoins. Fifth, multiple sources of income. In addition to Bitcoin, our club allows each participant to receive bonuses, privileges, and gifts due to the development of new directions connected with blockchain technologies, as well as it allows mining other top-level cryptocurrencies. What other important facts about BitClub Network should you know? The company has been successfully operating since 2014. It provides incredibly transparent terms for investors. Let's see right now how many Bitcoins company has mined. In total, more than 64,000 coins. And the number of Bitcoins on the company's account now is more than 16,000. How often do you see such transparency? Company's website has been translated into more than 20 languages. BitClub Network has issued its own cryptocurrency, Clubcoin, which has been traded on the world exchange platform Bittrex since 2015. In December 2016, BitClub introduced its own payment platform called CoinPay at the World Exhibition in South Korea, dedicated to blockchain technologies. As the independent SimilarWeb resource shows, the number of unique visitors to the website grew from 480,000 to 1,100,000 per month within just 2 months thanks to that exhibition. Pay attention to the countries which trust BitClub: South Korea, Japan, Germany. These are technologically advanced countries. Investors from all over the world, in average, invest $3 million per day in Bitcoin, mining together with BitClub Network. Don't you want to create a constantly growing passive income in Bitcoins as well? If your answer is yes, we can provide you with all the necessary help and support. What kind of support can you get as an investor from Be Happy 24 Club? Access to private Telegram chats and full assistance. Advice on the best ways of investing your money in BitClub Network. Access to the latest news and lots of other useful information about investing and finances. Personal advisor with an individual attention to your needs. What opportunities will be open to those who want to open a business using a premium class product together with BitClub Network and Be Happy 24 team? First of all, it's a simple step-by-step action algorithm and training system tested by thousands of users. Their experience will help you reach an income of $1,000 per month, $3,000 per month, $50,000 per month, and more. We have already invested more than $300,000 and have 8 years of experience in the system development. All you need is a great desire to learn how to use an already invented wheel. There is no need to reinvent it again. Secondly, it is a free people's lifestyle, which includes high-class vacations and round-the-world trips along with like-minded people, systematic training conducted by top leaders, and of course, a 93% automated business not limited to a particular location and based on the Be Happy 24 system. What are you more interested in, investments or business? In case you need any help at any step, you will be able to contact your personal counselor or visit our useful online event where we will share personal experiences on investing and creating a profitable business. And of course, we will gladly answer all your questions. Thank you for your attention. Good luck and much success in your investments. See you inside.